Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone in this vast universe?
It leads us to think that the same things that happened here might well have happened elsewhere.
Well, I certainly did, until one extraordinary event flipped my world upside down.
Okay, centers are turning around 1628. Do you have any traffic there, welcome? I'm off.
This video unfolds the top 20, compelling proofs that might just make you ponder. Are aliens among us? Let's dive into a journey that takes us from absolute disbelief to the realm of possible extraterrestrial existence. Number 1. Unearthly sightings in the skies. Examining documented UFO sightings. UFO sightings. A topic often met with skepticism, yet undeniably intriguing. These sightings date back centuries, with a significant surge in the 20th and 21st centuries. One of the earliest well-documented cases is the 1947 Kenneth Arnold sighting, where he described seeing 9 high-speed objects near Mount Rainier in Washington. His description of their motion as like saucers skipping on water birthed the term flying saucers. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we have the 2004 USS Nimitz encounter, where fighter pilots reported seeing tic-tac-shaped objects moving in ways defying known physics. The Pentagon's release of these encounters in 2020 added credibility to these claims. Additionally, the establishment of the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force by the US government highlights the seriousness with which these sightings are now taken. Each case offers a unique narrative, from pilots, testimonies to radar data, suggesting there's more to the skies than we understand. Could these be advanced earthly technologies, or are we glimpsing visitors from beyond our world? Number 2. The Roswell Incident, unwrapping the mystery. The Roswell Incident of 1947 stands as the cornerstone of UFO folklore. It began with a press release from the Roswell Army Airfield, claiming the recovery of a flying disc crashed near Roswell, New Mexico. The story took a swift turn when the military stated it was merely a weather balloon, sparking decades of conspiracy theories. Witnesses, including military personnel, later came forward with claims of recovering not just debris, but also extraterrestrial bodies. The 1990s saw the emergence of Project Mogul, a top-secret project involving high-altitude balloons for spying, suggested as the true nature of the debris. Despite this, many believe the government's explanations are a cover-up for an alien spacecraft. Investigations by journalists and researchers have unearthed intriguing details, but the truth remains shrouded in mystery. Roswell has since become synonymous with government secrecy and alien encounters, fueling an endless debate between skeptics and believers. This incident, more than any other, has embedded itself in popular culture and continues to fascinate and perplex enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Is Roswell the undeniable proof of alien visitation, or a mixture of Cold War paranoia and misinterpretation? The answer still eludes us, keeping the mystery alive in the annals of UFO history. Number 3. Government secrets and whistleblowers, exploring declassified documents and insider revelations. For decades, rumors of government involvement in concealing alien evidence have circulated. But what's fact and what's fiction? The turning point came with the declassification of various documents. Notably, the CIA's release of hundreds of documents in 2017 detailed numerous UFO sightings worldwide, sparking public interest and debate. Equally intriguing are whistleblower accounts, like that of Bob Lazar, who claimed to have worked on reverse engineering alien spacecraft at Area 51. Though controversial and often disputed, Lazar's descriptions of advanced propulsion systems have kept public curiosity alive. The FBI's Vault, a digital reading room of declassified documents, also contains references to unexplained phenomena and extraterrestrial encounters. One striking document is the Guy Hoddle memo, detailing a report of 3 flying saucers recovered in New Mexico, echoing the Roswell narrative. Further fueling the fire are the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, ADA-TIP, and its successor, the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, which study UFO sightings. These programs, acknowledged by the Pentagon, reveal a serious and ongoing government interest in unidentified aerial phenomena. Number 4. Ancient alien theories, linking historical artifacts and structures to extraterrestrial visitors. The ancient alien theory, popularized by Erich von Daniken's book Chariots of the Gods, suggests that extraterrestrials visited Earth in antiquity, influencing early human civilizations. Proponents point to various historical artifacts and megalithic structures as evidence of alien contact. One prominent example is the Nazca lines in Peru. These enormous geoglyphs, visible only from the air, depict various animals and shapes. Their purpose remains unknown, leading some to theorize they were created as signals or landing strips for alien spacecraft. Similarly, the Egyptian pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, have long been subjects of speculation. The precision and scale of these structures, built with technology seemingly beyond the capabilities of the era, fuel theories of extraterrestrial assistance. Other intriguing artifacts include the Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device with a complexity comparable to 18th century clocks, and the Baghdad battery, which some believe to be an ancient electrical device. Additionally, ancient texts and artworks are often cited, showing figures or objects resembling modern interpretations of astronauts or UFOs. Number 5. The crop circle conundrum, analyzing the complex and unexplained patterns. Crop circles, mysterious patterns that appear overnight in fields, have been both baffling and fascinating observers for decades. Typically found in cereal crops, these formations range from simple circles to elaborate geometrical figures, some spanning hundreds of feet. The phenomenon gained widespread attention in the late 1970s in southern England, with patterns growing increasingly complex over the years. Theories about their origins are as varied as the designs themselves. Some attribute them to natural phenomena like wind patterns, while others suggest human artists using planks and ropes are responsible. However, proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis argue that the precision and complexity of some circles are beyond human capabilities. They point to features like bent, not broken stalks and radiation levels as evidence of their otherworldly origin. Notably, researchers have observed electromagnetic energy in these formations, leading to speculations about their purpose, from alien communication to markers of energy points on Earth. Intriguingly, some crop circles seem to align with ancient sites and ley lines, deepening the mystery. Number 6. Close encounters of the third kind, personal accounts of alien encounters. Encounters with extraterrestrial beings, often referred to as close encounters of the third kind, remain some of the most gripping and controversial aspects of alien phenomena. These accounts go beyond mere UFO sightings, involving direct interaction with supposed alien beings. One of the most famous cases is the 1961 abduction of Barney and Betty Hill. Under hypnosis, the couple recounted detailed experiences aboard an alien spacecraft, including descriptions of the beings and star maps unknown to astronomers at the time. Another notable case is the 1975 Travis Walton experience, where Walton claimed to have been taken aboard a UFO, sparking one of the most well-documented and scrutinized abduction cases ever. Number 7. The SETI Initiative and extraterrestrial signals, discussing efforts to communicate with alien life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, represents humanity's proactive approach to finding alien life. Founded in the 1960s, SETI employs advanced technology to scan the cosmos for signals indicative of intelligent life. The backbone of SETI's search lies in radio astronomy, using large radio telescopes to detect potential non-random, extraterrestrial signals from deep space. One of the most notable moments in SETI's history is the WOW signal, detected in 1977 by Dr. Jerry R. Amen. This strong narrowband radio signal, originating from the Sagittarius constellation, lasted for 72 seconds and has never been explained or repeated. Its uniqueness and origin from a region of space with no obvious sources like planets or stars make it a tantalizing candidate for an alien transmission. Number 8. Astronomical anomalies and unexplained phenomena, investigating celestial oddities and their possible alien origins. The cosmos is replete with mysteries and unexplained phenomena that have often been linked to potential alien activity. From bizarre star patterns to unidentifiable space objects, these anomalies provide fertile ground for speculation about extraterrestrial life. One of the most intriguing cases is the star Chi-C, 8462852, also known as Tabby's star. It exhibits unusual light fluctuations, with large and irregular dimming patterns, that have puzzled astronomers. Some theories suggest these could be signs of an alien megastructure, like a Dyson sphere, built to harness the star's energy. Although natural explanations like a cloud of dust are more widely accepted, the star remains an enigma in astrophysics. Another example is the interstellar object Oumuamua, which passed through our solar system in 2017. Its peculiar cigar shape and unexpected acceleration prompted theories about it being an alien probe or spacecraft. While natural explanations, such as it being a new class of interstellar object, are prevailing, Oumuamua challenged previous understandings and opened new lines of inquiry into the nature of such objects. Number 9. Abduction tales beyond belief or beyond our understanding. Evaluating claims of alien abductions. Alien abduction stories have been a controversial and fascinating part of UFO lore. These accounts often involve individuals claiming to have been taken aboard an alien spacecraft, subjected to medical examinations, and then returned to Earth. While many in the scientific community dismiss these stories as fabrications or psychological phenomena, they continue to be a subject of intense interest and debate. The typical narrative of an abduction includes memories of being paralyzed, communication with alien beings, and often invasive procedures performed on the abductee. A common feature in many abduction stories is the presence of missing time, a period that the abductee cannot account for. The credibility of these stories is often questioned due to the lack of physical evidence and the reliance on recovered memories, frequently elicited through hypnosis. Psychologists have offered explanations such as sleep paralysis, hallucinations, or false memory syndrome to explain these experiences. However, abductees and researchers in this field argue that the consistency in stories across different cultures and geographies suggests a phenomenon that warrants further investigation. Number 10. Exoplanets and the Drake equation. Estimating the odds. Understanding the likelihood of alien life. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars beyond our solar system, has significantly altered the conversation about the existence of extraterrestrial life. With thousands of exoplanets discovered, many in the habitable zone where liquid water could exist, the probability of alien life seems more plausible than ever. Central to estimating the likelihood of alien life is the Drake equation. Formulated by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, this equation multiplies several variables to estimate the number of active communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. These variables include the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planets, the number of habitable planets per star, and the likelihood of life developing on these planets, among others. Number 11. Scientific endeavors in the search for alien life, reviewing the latest research and discoveries. The quest for extraterrestrial life is not just a matter of looking up at the stars, it's a rigorous scientific endeavor involving multiple disciplines. Recent advancements in technology and research have significantly propelled our search for life beyond Earth. One key area is astrobiology, the study of life's potential in the universe. Astrobiologists examine extreme environments on Earth, like hydrothermal vents and Antarctic lakes, to understand how life might survive in extraterrestrial conditions. Mars has been a focal point in the search for alien life. NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on Mars in 2021, is equipped to search for signs of past microbial life and collect soil samples. The rover's experiments aim to analyze Martian geology and climate, providing insights into whether the planet could have supported life. Beyond our solar system, the study of exoplanets has been pivotal. The use of spectroscopy allows scientists to analyze the composition of these planets' atmospheres, searching for biosignatures or chemical indicators of life. Missions like the James Webb Space Telescope, set to observe some of the oldest and most distant galaxies, are expected to further our understanding of potentially habitable exoplanets. Number 12. The Fermi Paradox. Where is everyone? Discussing the contradiction between high probabilities and lack of contact. The Fermi Paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, encapsulates the intriguing contradiction in the search for extraterrestrial life. Given the vast number of stars and planets, it seems probable that intelligent life exists elsewhere in the universe, yet there is no conclusive evidence or contact with such civilizations. The paradox arises from several key points, The Milky Way alone contains billions of stars, many with planets in the habitable zone. The Drake equation, despite its uncertainties, suggests a high probability of communicative alien civilizations. Yet, our attempts to detect signals or visitations from these civilizations have come up empty. Various hypotheses have been proposed to resolve this paradox. One is the rare Earth hypothesis, which suggests that while simple life might be common, complex and intelligent life is exceedingly rare due to a combination of environmental factors and cosmic events. Number 13. The impact of alien life on society and culture. How the belief in aliens has influenced human behavior. The belief in alien life has had a profound and multifaceted impact on society and culture, influencing everything from popular media to scientific research and philosophical discourse. The fascination with extraterrestrial life has spurred a myriad of films, books, and television shows, reflecting humanity's deep-seated curiosity and fear about what lies beyond our planet. This cultural representation often mirrors society's hopes, anxieties, and questions about existence, technology, and the unknown. Moreover, the concept of aliens has significantly influenced scientific pursuits and public interest in space exploration. It has driven funding and support for projects like SETI and various space missions, demonstrating the societal value placed on answering the question of whether we are alone in the universe. Number 14. Skeptics versus believers. A never-ending debate, exploring both sides of the argument. The debate between skeptics and believers in the existence of alien life is a long-standing and dynamic one, encompassing a wide range of perspectives and arguments. On one side are the skeptics, who demand empirical evidence and scientific rigor in claims about extraterrestrial life. They argue that many alleged sightings and encounters can be explained by natural phenomena or human-made objects, and caution against the pitfalls of pseudoscience. Skeptics often point to the lack of tangible, verifiable evidence of alien life and emphasize the importance of critical thinking and skepticism in evaluating such claims. On the other side are the believers, who are convinced of the existence of aliens, either based on personal experiences, historical accounts, or the sheer probability given the vastness of the universe. They argue that the absence of evidence is not evidence of absence, and that many mysteries and unexplained phenomena suggest the presence of extraterrestrial life. Believers often accuse skeptics of being close-minded and argue that some phenomena simply cannot be explained by current scientific understanding. This debate extends beyond mere belief in aliens. It encompasses broader themes such as the limitations of human knowledge, the challenges of exploring the unknown, and the philosophical implications of discovering extraterrestrial life. The debate is often passionate, with each side bringing its own set of arguments, evidence, and theories to the table. Number 15. The future of alien research. What next? Speculating on the evolution of alien studies. The future of alien research is poised at a thrilling juncture, with advancements in technology and science opening new frontiers. One of the most anticipated developments is the deployment of more powerful telescopes, both ground-based and in space, like the James Webb Space Telescope. These instruments will provide unprecedented views of distant galaxies, potentially identifying more Earth-like exoplanets, and analyzing their atmospheres for signs of life. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are set to play a pivotal role in sifting through the immense amounts of data generated by these telescopes. AI's ability to detect patterns and anomalies that might elude human researchers could accelerate the discovery of biosignatures or technosignatures. Number 16. From fiction to fact. How media influences perception. The role of movies and books in shaping alien beliefs. The portrayal of aliens in movies, books, and other media has significantly influenced public perception and beliefs about extraterrestrial life. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to the Star Trek franchise and The X-Files, these portrayals have ranged from malevolent invaders to wise, benevolent beings. Such depictions reflect and shape societal attitudes towards the unknown, often embodying our deepest fears and greatest hopes. Science fiction has been instrumental in popularizing concepts related to extraterrestrial life and technology, making them part of the public consciousness. Movies like Close Encounters of the Third Kind and E.T. have played a key role in fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity about the possibility of alien life. Conversely, Films like Alien and Independence Day depict a more hostile universe, influencing a more cautious and fearful approach to the unknown. This media representation also impacts scientific inquiry. Many scientists cite science fiction as a source of inspiration for their career choice and research focus. The imaginative scenarios depicted in fiction often challenge scientists to think outside conventional paradigms, pushing the boundaries of exploration and hypothesis. Number 17. The role of technology in alien detection. Advances in technology that could prove or disprove alien existence. Technological advancements are revolutionizing the search for extraterrestrial life, enhancing our ability to detect and interpret signals from the cosmos. The development of more sensitive and sophisticated telescopes, both radio and optical, has dramatically increased our observational capabilities. For instance, the Square Kilometre Array, SKA, set to become the world's largest radio telescope, aims to probe the early universe and potentially pick up signals from alien civilizations. Another significant advancement is in the field of spectroscopy, which allows scientists to analyze the atmospheric composition of distant exoplanets. This technique is crucial for detecting biosignatures, elements like oxygen or methane that may indicate the presence of life. Upcoming missions, such as the James Webb Space Telescope and the Ariel space mission, are expected to provide critical data in this area. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are also becoming invaluable tools in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data from telescopes and satellites, identifying patterns or anomalies indicative of alien technology or communications that might be missed by human researchers. Number 18. Extraterrestrial life in the cosmos. Philosophical implications. Delving into the philosophical and existential questions. The prospect of extraterrestrial life raises profound philosophical and existential questions, challenging our understanding of life, consciousness, and our place in the universe. If alien life were discovered, it would profoundly impact human philosophy, religion, and the very notion of what it means to be human. One major philosophical implication involves the concept of uniqueness and exceptionalism. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, especially intelligent life, would challenge the idea that humans are unique in the cosmos. This could lead to a radical shift in our self-perception and our understanding of life as a universal phenomenon. In terms of ethics, the existence of alien life would raise questions about our responsibilities towards these other forms of life. Should we interact, observe, or avoid contact? How would we communicate and potentially coexist with beings that may have completely different perceptions, social structures, and forms of consciousness? Number 19. The psychological aspect. Why we want to believe. Exploring the human fascination with aliens. The human fascination with aliens and UFOs goes beyond scientific curiosity. It's deeply rooted in psychological and cultural aspects. Psychologically, the belief in extraterrestrial life often reflects our innate desire to understand our place in the universe and to answer fundamental questions about existence. The possibility of alien life challenges our understanding of life itself, pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible. This fascination is also tied to the human tendency towards exploration and discovery. Just as our ancestors looked across oceans and wondered what lay beyond, we now look to the stars with the same mixture of curiosity and hope. The search for alien life represents the modern frontier of this exploratory drive. Moreover, belief in aliens can be a form of escapism. In a world where many feel disillusioned or overwhelmed by daily life, the idea of a more advanced and enlightened extraterrestrial civilization can be appealing. It provides a sense of wonder and mystery in a world where much is already known and mapped. Number 20. The role of communication in interstellar contact. Understanding the challenges and possibilities. One of the most fascinating aspects of the search for extraterrestrial life is the question of communication. How would we communicate with an alien civilization if we were to encounter one? This chapter delves into the complexities and potential methods of interstellar communication, reflecting our desire to not only find, but also understand and connect with alien life. The language barrier presents the first significant challenge. Our communication systems, rooted in human culture and biology, might be incomprehensible to extraterrestrial beings. Researchers in fields like linguistics and semiotics have pondered whether mathematics or music, as universal languages, could serve as a basis for initial contact. The Voyager Golden Records, sent into space in 1977, embody this idea, containing sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth.